Hey guys, it's Brantrion here, and today I'm going to be playing Will You Press the Button? Apparently it's a pretty popular game, so I decided to give it a try. Alright, if you press the button, you can get any woman you want, but she has to wear diapers. Best comment, see. It says she has to wear them. No, that she needs them. Or that she has to wear them all the time. To be honest, I don't really mind having a girlfriend wearing diapers. So, sure. Alright. Not a lot of people did not. Go to Hogwarts. You're thrown to Slytherin House. Alright, not bad. I'll press that. I'll press that, guys. You become any game character you want. You will live in a water temple. Huh. Talking about the Legend of Zelda water temple or other water temples? Yeah, sure. I mean, to be honest, I would choose Kirby if I did become a video game character, so I can just suck up anybody else and become that character. I mean, it's a win-win. Alright, you gain extraordinary powers, such as flight, super strength, time-based, etc. But everyone you've ever known is actually a sleeper agent ordered to kill you as soon as possible, as soon as you get your abilities. I think I like life how it is right now. I mean, there's nobody to think right now that's trying to kill me, so I will not. Alright, a lot of people agree with me. You can attend Harvard University, but you have to lick the bathroom floor of Walmart's. It's coronavirus right now. It's out there. I'm not doing that. That is just too much. Alright. You have the ability to recover from any injury, but you feel twice the amount of pain during the healing process. That's a tough question. Really tough. I guess I'll have to deal with pain, I guess. I'll click the button. I'll click the button. Alright. You become a star, but you have to wear Crocs all the time. Yes, yeah, I don't mind wearing Crocs. Crocs are pretty cool, actually. Alright. You have your dream body, but getting someone to like you will be twice as hard. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna press the button. To be honest, I think I'm fine right now, how it is. Alright. A dying loved one will be saved, but somebody from another family will die, and you'll be forced to live with their pain every night. Ooh. Okay. Tough question. Very tough. So, would I rather have a suffering loved one, like family, relative member, or let's say sister? Would I save her, or would I get haunted by another family? Well, I'm haunted by the fact that I let another person die. Ooh, this is a tough question. Tough. Oh. Alright. I've made a decision. I will be forced not to press the button. Alright. You can grow or shrink just by thinking, but you have to be wearing an eye patch at all times. So it's basically Ant-Man without the suit and you're wearing an eye patch. Yeah, I don't mind. I'll push that button. Alright. You can have anything you want for an hour, but you can never access, obtain, or just it again. I will not press the button. I mean, I'm just not. Watch series before they are aired, but the sound is out of sync. Well, I don't normally watch TV shows now that I think of it. I mean, don't really watch stuff. I don't get, like, hooked onto stuff, really. So, I will not press the button. You will excel one talent on the highest level, but that will be your only talent. I think I would do it. I mean, video gaming, my best talent, and then I can record that. So that's my only one. I mean, that's the only one I really need. So I think that's. I'll press the button. All right, next. All right. Okay. America stops wasting poop loads of energy, but Americans hate you for taking their hundreds of selfish comforts away from them. So this is like a president question, to be honest. Alright, well, I'm just one person now. I'll take one for the team. Alright, you can literally have anything you want, but a feminist tells you how wrong you are for doing things every time you do something. A feminist, huh? Interesting. I think I'm gonna press the button. Or should I not? I'm just gonna press the button. Alright. You live in a false reality, and you can live an extremely happy life if you push the button. You will see the true reality. But you will never see the old reality and will have your lifespan. Okay, so basically, live good, but live half your life. Things are fine as it is, except coronavirus is like killing around the world. And we got America versus America. So I will not press the button. Alright, next question. You have the ability to become a Super Saiyan, but you can only speak in loud, annoying yells. Yeah, I don't think I'm interested. I will not press the button. Alright. You can make anyone you want like you simply by talking to them. You have to take a deep breath after every word you ever speak. I think I would not press the button. Alright, yeah. A lot of people didn't like the deal anyway, so. Okay. You are Morgan Freeman, but you can't speak. To be honest, then what's the point? Oh, yeah, somebody said down here, what's the point? There's no point of that. So, no. Alright. You can make the person that you love you too. But she or he won't be happy ever with you. I mean, there's no true reason to have a relationship without love. I mean, it's basically a dead relationship. So I will not press the button. Alright. You get a role in every movie / TV show ever made. You become rich and famous. But you won't ever be able to read news written about yourself. So I won't be able to read the good news and bad stuff about me. I mean, I don't mind not reading the news, although I kind of am concerned, but I'll click the button. Alright, you have the ability to morph into anything, but humanity hates you and constantly wants you dead. I am just going to not press that button. And that is some weird grammar. You will have the best computer in the world, but you have to use Internet Explorer for surfing the internet. Bit slow. But hey, if I can record on it, why not? Alright. You can buy anything you want, but only for other people. I wonder if it works like if I buy like a giant computer for my friend and my friend gives it to me. Does that count? I mean, does that really like count? But if it doesn't, then I'll still be making other people happy. Alright. Alright, last question. You become invincible, but you lose the sensation of touch. I mean, invincible, that's kind of the point of invincibility. So, I guess I'll press a button. Alright, guys. That was the last question for this video, so if you like this video, comment down below, subscribe, like the video. Yeah, tell your friends about it, and if you have anything more you want to suggest that I should do, I'm open to suggestions. Nothing too crazy now, okay, guys? But anyway, we'll see you next video. So, bye.